Hello, friends. There's one small portion of thought. What is my responsibility as a believer? Oh no, I don't have any responsibility. I thank God. I am chosen by God. I am saved by the grace of God. I am cleansed by the blood of Christ. And if I die today, I am going to go to heaven. No, you are not truly born again Christian if you die without bearing any fruits. John 4:34, Jesus says to his disciples, my food is to do the will of my Father. Jesus was truly obedient son to his Father. He came, left heaven, came to this world, suffered for us, shed his blood, and paid the penalty for the whole world and died on the cross. Now he is saying to his Father, John 19:30, it is finished. Jesus finished his works on the cross by obeying his Father. And before he died on the cross, he says this, Mark 16:15, go into the world and preach the gospel. And I would say this, believers' responsibility is nothing but to proclaim the word of God. And in order to preach the gospel or in order to share the word of God, you don't have to have Bible college certificate. You don't have to be in some mega church or you don't have to speak in tongues. In order to preach the gospel, you should have the passion of God. If you have the passion of God, just go out and preach the gospel. And there is one thought I was reading in the book of Exodus. Two things I learned. When there is a God's calling, don't give excuse or don't escape. So there's two people in the book of Exodus chapter 4, maybe you all can read it later. When God said to Moses, my people Israel are in bondage in the land of Egypt. God says to Moses, go and tell them, I am the God of Abraham, I am the God of Jacob, and I come to deliver you. And Moses says this, oh God, I cannot do this. I am not eloquent. I am not smart at speech. I cannot do. And God says this, my dear friend, who given mouth? Was that not me? I will put the word in your mouth and you speak. So here Moses is giving excuse for his calling. And if you look at Jonah's life, I think this guy thinks he's a crazy guy. He thinks he's the smartest person in the world and he's trying to escape from God. He's trying to be away from the presence of God. And you don't know that the heaven and earth is made by God. And you can never escape from God, my friends. When there's a God's calling, you'll have to just be obedient and walk. And later, Jonah realized how God is serious about his calling. And Nineveh must hear the word of God. Yes, my friend, this world must hear the word of God. This world is destroying without knowing the truth. This world is destroying without knowing the cross and without knowing a righteous man who already paid the penalty. And today, you and I are here. The ultimate goal, the ultimate purpose as a believer is nothing but to proclaim the God and take the gospel to the every corner of the world. And this world must hear the word of God. And I think that could be the main reason why you and I are here today. So don't let behind your friends and weep later. This is the great opportunity to share the gospel because life is, we don't know. There is no guarantee. As long as you live on this planet, use the time, share the gospel to your friends, and And there's one more important thing is, when you go to heaven, don't go alone. Take your friends, families, neighbors, colleagues, and rejoice with them. So this is a small portion of thought, and probably we can see the next video. See you all. Bye.